what's the hottest move you would make right now?
I mean, I kind of just want to smell her to see what she smells like. Can I smell you?
Go for it.
Okay, where you at?
I'm right here.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
I feel like guys are so simple. Like, yeah, I like that.
Wait, Kaylin, do you want to smell Mark? Too?
Yeah, can I? I mean, it's only right.
It smells like chest.
Mark,
Smells good.
Yeah, Mark's
very good.
He's like the last guy wearing Axe spray. Dude, what are you gonna do, man? What's gonna elevate this?
Ball's in my court.
It's in it.
Probably have to take a deep ball and see if she wants to kiss. I don't know.
Whoa.
So,
Yeah.
I'm content. I guess I'm just gonna sit here and wait.
Oh.